Antonio Convention Center. Visit saweddings.com for tickets and more information.
Ava. Ava, are those Cheerios yummy? Yeah? How big is Ava? Oh, yay! Ava, it's so big. Mommy loves you. Yeah? Are you gonna get the other Cheerios? You gotta walk to them. Yeah, you're gonna have to walk to them, boo. Why are you watching TV? You never watch TV. What? What? What?
The new Nutrisystem. Start today with America's #1 home delivery weight loss company.
The inspiration for its shape was a nature drawing his bone. Could that have also inspired the 556 horsepower charged engine? The all-new Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. We don't just make luxury cars. We make Cadillacs.
Uh-oh, you almost ate them all.
There's nothing like a
Yeah.
girl to do, especially when you're looking for an eco-friendly makeover without spending a ton of cash. We're transforming this
Come on, you have to walk to them.
living room into a space with a cohesive modern country style. We're redoing this room in a totally
Oops.
eco-smart way by refurbishing what Virginia
You're okay.
has, using warm fabrics and country colors. And in the kitchen, we remove Virginia's energy-wasting appliances and we're converting it to state-of-the-art, sourcing
That's
everything
cheating, Ava.
store.
That you fall and then you get back up. That's cheating. You're supposed to walk. Yeah. It's cheating.
Inviting and cheery,
But cheating's easier, huh?
on Virginia's original furniture pieces.
Yeah. But we'll get there.